In section 5, we have in lane 1, Chanel Honeywell of Immaculate. Lane 2, Asharia Hewlett, St. Catherine. Lane 3, Lavanya Williams, William Nib. Lane 4, Michaela Ainsley of Immaculate Conception High. Lane 6, Tia Clayton of Edwin Allen. Lane 7, Shanice Walker of St. Jago High. And in lane 8, we have Ayana Mitchell of Graham, unattached.
Sent about their business, their eyes on Tia Clayton in lane 6 of Edwin Allen. Look at that blistering movement by her. She's the one to be caught, but no one will catch her. 11.24 seconds the flash time. Ladies and gentlemen, we await the confirmation. The wind speed, negative 0.0 meters per second. Ladies and gentlemen, it appears to be a personal best and season's best for Tia Clayton. 11.24 seconds for her. Ladies and gentlemen, Tia Clayton of Edwin Allen. Williams gets second. That's Lavanya Williams of William Nib. And Hazley, third, Immaculate.